Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Race, and in this video you are learning CRUD operation using PHP and object-oriented. Okay, so far you have seen insert and then view, that means the list, and in the last video you also see saw delete as well as edit. Okay, now in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the record, this one. Okay, so now let's go to here. So the idea is that when I click on this button, okay, then the record should change. Okay, so now here you will have to write here in edit section, if dollar underscore post, and then we need to write code here. Basically the code will be this one. We need to take this record, so let's copy it, the complete record. Okay, and then in edit section let's paste here. So what will happen when we press the button, this edit, then for example here Kumar is mistake. Okay, so I write here Kumar, then let's press this, and what is happening, the data is going here. Okay, and then it's storing in this array format. So if you want to see what is storing here in data, then you can check here by printer, and then simply write here data, and then try to edit it with new record Kumar. Then you can see the data is coming like this, so passing it perfectly. Okay, now this one will pass there, so we will do like this, dollar rs equals to, or simply dollar obj, which one, this one, dollar obj. Okay, so dollar obj, so it will be inside this one. All right, so dollar obj, then update, then we have to pass three things here. First we need to pass table name, so registration. Okay, so this is the table name, and then we need to pass here id, here where condition, here we need to pass here where, dollar where, and then dollar data. Okay, so in where condition it will be id. Okay, so let's write here where. So where condition is already there, we can take this where directly from there, so shouldn't be problem here because the id is same. Okay, that's right. Now we need to create this function, going into once again into functions.php. This time let's create here public function, then update. Okay, so here in update we need to pass here dollar table, then dollar where, then dollar data. Three things will come here. Okay, why? Because it will be like this, update registration set, then f name equal to dollar f name, where id equal to 6. It will be like this. Okay, so for that we need this table name, and then where, this where condition, and then data here. That is right, we require here three things. Now let's write code for that. So let's write here code $con, and then update table set. So what, first we are taking here an empty array, and then here for each. Okay, so dollar data, this one, as column value. So we are setting here column and value, so key value pair is coming here in this one. Okay, now then we need to include sets, this one with comma separated. okay, here, and then it will be like this, dollar where return MySQL icon. So let's try first if it's working or not, then I'll explain once again how it's working this one. Alright, so let's go to index.php file first here, then let's try to update, for example this one. So there is spelling mistake. I'm doing this with submit, and then undefined variable where is 93.7, undefined variable where, okay, this one. So okay, there WHERE, there's spelling mistake there, where now it should work. Let's get back to here, and then okay, so now as you can see the data is updated. No, it's not updated, there is something wrong. So let's try again, Kumar update, so it is updating. Let's refresh it. Yeah, it's working now. So better do one thing, let's go to edit page, and then header location here, header location after insert it should go index.php. so after inserting it will go to insert.php for update.php. so finally it went here. Alright, so in case of just Kumar, there is something wrong. Now let me check here, Umar, so is ID passing or not? Rahman Umar at gmail.com 12345. Now here it's working now fine. Okay, so I know that this page can be confusing for you, particularly here in this section. Alright, so let me explain you line to line. This one, not single actually, this one. Okay, so what we have written here, this is connection, then update table set, update table set like this, update registration set fname, then it will be like l name equals to $lname. That means we need key value, and then for each comma separated, right? Key equal to comma separated. So here we are building the key value pair. You can see this is key, here key, and then value, and in between there is equals to, this equals to. Got it? So if you want to see that how it is working, then let's print r here, print r, and then check here $6. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just making this off, and then here also, so that it will stay there and not redirect, so that you can see what is happening here. Now you can see fname Umar, lname equals to Rahman, email equals to, password equal to, so we are building like this. Okay, and then the import is working comma separated. For example, fname Umar, then comma, lname equals to Rahman, then comma. Okay, so that is why we are importing here. Okay, so after each pair there will be comma, after each pair there will be comma, and this is called concatenation operator. Okay, this is SQL, and then again there is programming. So this is string concatenation. So first it will be this string, then there will be programming, and then this one, and at last this one. So here if you want to check here, then you will find here the complete code. So just try. Okay, so here at last you will see the first and second and third also. So if you press here, then you can see here that this is showing here the complete syntax. Okay, now if you echo here, then you will see syntax except this. Check here, isn't it? there is no where condition at this moment, you can see, because it is below, so it is concatenating. Okay, and at last this one is the whole query is executing. So hope you understand this, how this works. So update now. Okay, so now I need to once again remove this comment and then click submit, and it's working fine. So hope you guys now insert. So let's do one thing. Okay, insert, let's go to index page here, and then here will be home is fine, so index.php, and then insert, so it will be here will be insert.php, and here will be view each index.php, index.php. So if you refresh it, if you want to insert, then you can go to here, insert, t is missing, t index, this one, and insert, t is missing. Now let's refresh it and check, and you can see insert it here, view index itself. Okay, so page also same page, home is same page, insert it this page, edit, you can edit from here. If you want to delete the record, then you can delete here. So you can see using PHP MySQL object-oriented feature. So the benefit of this code is that you don't have to write insert and insert, update, delete code again and again. In fact, you don't need to write insert, update, delete code. Only thing, this function will be a very handy, very useful for you. You don't need to change anything here. Only thing, whenever you need to insert, you need to prepare this kind of query, just pass table name, data, and your insert query will work. So you can use this also in the future projects. So hope you like this and understand this, how this works. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.